This video is about retail, buying merchandise from suppliers and reselling it. Buying from individuals is buy outright, covered in another video. Retail transactions take place in house accounts. Create a new client record. One letter is sufficient for a name. Flag it as a house account. Ignore the client percentage, the program won't be using it. And save the record. Select the client in the table and click Batch Retail. On this screen, press Enter to save entries and move to the next column. Enter a description, limit it to 20 characters to fit on the smallest price label. Press the first letter of a category name and select it from the menu, or press Enter to skip the category. Supplier information could be entered in the details for future reference. If details aren't needed, press Enter and enter the selling price. Press Enter again and enter retail cost. Change the quantity if necessary. Click in Description on the next row to enter the next item, or click on any of the options at the bottom of the page to save the record or to print price labels. If the number of labels to be printed equals the number of items in inventory, check this option. To control the number of labels to be printed, enter the number of completed rows here. This row of options pertains to printing sheet labels. If a thermal label printer is being used, press Thermal. If labels are not to be printed from this screen, press Save to save the entries and close the screen. Labels can be printed later. Now let's sell the retail item and view reports. Go to the inventory work area, select the item, and press Item to Invoice. Process the sale and close the screen. Press F9 to view the sales recap for today. This shows an invoice list, salesperson report, payment report, and shop totals, showing sales before tax, total retail sales, the cost of the goods, and retail profit as well as tax. Click on the Reports tab, then Sales. Here we can view various reports including the sales recap again and a breakdown of profit and loss per item. Labels can be printed at any time. Click on Labels, then make settings on this page to define which labels are to be printed. Please see the video on printing labels for details.